development within our country, and what fully implemented, and we want to continue committing ourselves to work. When the staff are not properly guided, they do not do the right thing.
Even as we try to create some of these administrative units with all the good intentions that we have, slowly but surely it begins to look like with every unit that we are creating, we are engendering a new conflict because there is a new part of the county or a new part of this region that is asking for a different area of administration. So for the eastern region, what we have agreed is that because a good part of this region is prone to conflict, whether it's sectarian or otherwise, we have requested the security teams under the leadership of our regional commissioner to now do a new review even of all the applications we have on the table for administrative areas before we can create them. This will enable us also, as I said, to consult more and listen to more leaders and more opinions before we make announcements. Lastly, and this is very much in line of what I have said today, we have to do everything we can to minimize conflict to zero.